Did you know Excel is a key skill in most jobs? With over 1 billion users, Excel remains essential. Today, we'll explore why mastering Excel boosts your career. First, let's address the question, why Excel? Excel is powerful. It organizes data, creates reports, and performs calculations efficiently. This software improves productivity across industries. Now, learning Excel has many benefits. First, it enhances problem-solving skills. By analyzing data, you make informed decisions. Second, it automates tedious tasks. Excel's formulas save time and effort. Next, Excel supports collaboration. Teams can share spreadsheets, ensuring everyone is aligned. This fosters communication and improves project management. Let's go through the steps to master Excel. Start with the basics. Learn functions like sum and average. This builds a strong foundation. As you progress, explore charts and graphs. They visualize complex data. Next, dive into pivot tables to analyze large datasets efficiently. Don't forget about macros. They automate repetitive tasks. This allows you to focus on strategic decisions. To make it clearer, imagine you're a project manager. You have tons of data on project timelines. Using Excel, you can create a Gantt chart. This visual representation keeps your team on track. Mastering Excel enhances skills that employers crave. It boosts productivity, fosters collaboration, and improves decision-making. So, are you ready to elevate your career with Excel? Start learning today. Check out trainingq.com for more courses. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content.